today I'm going to show you how to add custom notification sound on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. Simply at first open your settings, press on to sound and vibration, go to notification sound. Okay, as you can see, but not showing you to exactly add this option, so don't worry, just use to another method. So at first just download any song or music, go to Pixabay and I'm just search here to sound effect. Okay, first I'm download this, press on to download. Okay, I'm already download this. Just open file apps, go to audio section. I'm recently download this. At first I'm rename to my follow my name. Just long press to select, press on copy to internal storage. You just and list and you just select to notification folder. Okay, like I'm select, press on to copy here. Okay, once copy this, reopen settings, close all and reopen settings, press on to notification sound. So as you can see, now successfully add this option. I am recently added this. Okay, that's it.